Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to show you how to permanently add subtitles to your videos or movies using VLC. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to have VLC installed on your device. You can download it from the official VLC website if you don't already have it. Next, you'll need the video file you want to add subtitles to, and of course, your subtitle file. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating with a couple of different subtitle formats, including AS and SRT files. Let's fire up VLC and get started. Once VLC is open, go to the Media menu at the top and select Convert/Save. In the Open Media dialog that pops up, click Add to select the video file you want to work with. Navigate to your folder. Select the video, and click Open. Next, check the box labeled Use a subtitle file and click Browse to select your subtitle file. I'll start with an AS subtitle file for this demonstration. Select the file and click Open. With your video and subtitle file selected, click the drop-down arrow next to Convert/Save and select Convert. In the Convert dialog, you need to ensure the profile for the video is set to your preference. I'll use the video H.264 plus MP3, MP4 profile, which is a good general purpose setting. Next, click the Edit Selected Profile button, which looks like a wrench and screwdriver, to adjust the profile settings. In the profile settings, go to the Subtitles tab and make sure Subtitles and Overlay Subtitles on the video are checked. For the codec, select DVB subtitle. Click Save to apply these settings. Back in the Convert dialog, click Browse to choose where you want to save the converted file. And give it a new name. I'll name mine video with subtitles.mp4. Click Save and then start to begin the conversion process. You'll notice a progress bar at the bottom of VLC. This indicates that VLC is working on adding the subtitles to your video. Depending on the length and size of your video, this process might take some time. It's important to note that VLC has some limitations. For instance, right-to-left languages like Arabic, Hebrew, and Farsi might not display correctly. Even if your subtitle file is properly formatted for right-to-left orientation, VLC might still display the text from left to right, which can be problematic. This is a known issue with VLC, so if you're dealing with such languages, you might need to consider alternative methods or software. Once VLC finishes processing, the progress bar will reset. You can now close VLC and navigate to the folder where you saved the new video file. Let's open it and check to make sure the subtitles have been permanently added. As you can see, the subtitles are now permanently embedded in the video. If I skip through different parts of the video, the subtitles remain in place, confirming that the process was successful. Now let's quickly go through the same process using an SRT subtitle file. If you encounter any issues or if VLC doesn't meet your needs, there are alternative tools you can use. For more complex projects, software like Handbrake or Subtitle Next might be better options. These tools offer more customization and support for various subtitle formats and languages. Handbrake, for example, is a powerful open-source video transcoder that also allows you to embed subtitles with a higher degree of control. Subtitle Next is another professional tool designed specifically for creating and editing subtitles. And there you have it. That's how you can permanently add subtitles to your videos using VLC. It's a straightforward process that works across different operating systems, making it a versatile tool for your video editing needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. And as always, never stop learning. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.